Hey everybody, welcome to another video of Trading with Jackie. It's Jackie Panetta. So today's video is just going to be me going over this wedge alert from the beginning to the end, and we're going to see if I can figure out or show you guys really how I'm doing my wedge trading, meaning I'm going to show you guys about the trailing stop that I do. Okay, so drew the wedge here, and I'm gonna get rid of all drawings. I'm gonna start this from the beginning. Okay, so let me do that. I have not taken my trade yet, so got rid of it. So it was a descending alert. Very first thing we're gonna do, set my vertical line so I see exactly where that alert took place, right there. Boom. Okay, now it was a descending wedge, so I'm going to draw my descending angle. I'm going to draw it. Boom, right there. Descending, clear, cut, to the point. Alright, I don't like this wick because it's too high. It's gonna make my wedge a little sharp, so I'm gonna try and put it like right here. You know, that's my line right there, right? And then we're gonna do it right here at the bottom. Boom, triangle. That's it. Alright, that's my wedge. Now we're going down to the 5-minute. It broke out on the bottom, right? And then usually I will wait, but it came right back up into the wedge again. Alright, so I gotta wait. You gotta wait for the breakout. There was a breakout to the bottom, but it didn't do it yet. Alright, it's coming back up into the wedge. Okay, and if I look on my 15-minute, which is what is getting ready to start a new 15-minute, this new trade, you know, my RSI is only at 53. You know, so it got a long way to go to either go up or down. So you need to make a decision. Right now we're on the next 15 minutes. Okay, now which way is it gonna go? So it already came back up into the wedge, right? So it can either just break out of the wedge, going to the top and then keep moving, or it can just come right back down again. And as you can see, it's coming back, it's going up to the top. Alright, and so this from here was 71.45 up to here, which is 6 pips. Okay, I feel like this is going to be a buy. Okay, and I'm gonna just go ahead and put that in there as like as a buy, and I'm gonna do that in demo right now. Okay, so it was AUDUSD. Let me find it. Boom, here. Bring the chart over. We're gonna do, I'm in demo, so I'm gonna just do the standard lot. Buy 1, 2. There you go. See how it's the same price because I just kind of clicked on it fast enough. Alright, and it's already in profit. So we're gonna go ahead on, and now let's set my take profit. So take profit is 5 pips and dip, right? So we're gonna do 0.715. 5 pips up is 6. Pay the broker 2. 5. There you go. Boom. That's it. And then here I set my trailing stop immediately for 5 pips plus the pipette to the broker, which is 52 in this one. Alright, so that's a buy. Boom. There you go. Now when it hits 5 pips, it's going to start trailing, and that's going to secure the bag right there. Okay, that's how you do the double position trade and set your trailing stop loss. Okay, so hopefully that helps you guys out. You know, I'm gonna pause this video and we'll see if that actually went in my favor, since I jumped in way earlier than I normally would have. But we're gonna see how that go. Alright, talk to y'all in a few. Alright, I'm back after a little bit. So you can see now here, you know, it's up 2 pips, and it's gonna hit that 5 pips, and then we can go ahead, that will dip. So it's like 2.5 pips away, and it'll dip, and then this is going to start to change once it hits that 5 pips plus the pipette. So that way you know, we can go ahead and move forward with the trailing stop. So I'll come back once it actually starts trailing. So you'll see this will be gone. Because remember, I had this is set to take profit. You know, I pay 5 pips to the broker. I mean 5 pips for my net, and then actually I think I need to do this. There you go. Oh man, I think I need to do that. There you go. So yeah, 5 pips to the broker, and then plus the little bit of a spread. Oh well, this one is actually, no, I need to go back. 565 is just fine, because this broker is $2 spread on a standard lot. Okay, so I just had to change that, make sure I had that. So I calculate 5 pips to pay myself plus 2 pipettes to pay the broker, because it's $2 on a standard lot on this one. That's how I did that calculation. And then that's why when you see me right click, trailing stop, custom, right, 50 points. 50 points is 5 pips plus the 2 pipettes to pay the broker, so I net my 5 pips. That's what that means. Okay, so once I do that, you know, it'll start growing, but at least I'll have my money, my bag secured. That's what that means. Okay, so it's already gone about 3 pips, so we just gonna let it wait a little bit longer. Next time I come back, you'll see the 5 pips going here, and then this should be trailing. Alright, everyone, so as you can see, I'm back. That first AUD trade is now gone because it has secured the 5 pips, and now you can see my stop loss has appeared. It's in pink because that's where it stopped at right now, because I moved the 52 points or 5.2 pips. So now as it continues to move forward, this will start to change. Okay, if it doesn't move forward, then it'll just stay right here until price comes back and hits this stop loss. See, it's just moving every little pipette as it goes forward. Okay, so that's how you do the trade. That's a successful trade, because no matter what, I took 2 positions and the trade secured 5 pips. My stop loss has moved, so it don't even matter if I gain any more pips. It's break even, but that's 5 pips secured in the bag. Okay, that's how we do them alerts. Pip dip. Alright, there you go, everybody. Let me know if y'all have any questions on this, and I'll holler at you another time, or just hit me up anytime you need to. Alright, take care.